In a world where drivers don't use their side view mirrors, these bikers figured they don't even need them. This is the best of bikers smashing mirrors. People who don't check their mirrors should know that when you put someone's life at danger, you're not getting away with it. This driver tried to push the biker off the road, but he didn't expect this to happen. He then tried to completely block the biker off, but was not successful.
El espejo lo tiene que mirar, ¿oíste, papito? El espejo lo tiene que mirar, papá.
This driver cut the biker off in traffic and started talking about his mother. The biker didn't want to engage at first, but sometimes it is necessary. This driver didn't even bother checking her mirrors, and had the audacity to flip the rider off. Thankfully, she got what she deserved. This driver cut in front of the biker and said the limit was 10 miles per hour. The rider admitted he was wrong for kicking the mirror, but now it's too late.
Cortou minha frente, tá loucão ainda, tchê. Ah, tá louco, corta minha frente, ainda tá loucão. Ah, vai, te liga. E quem disse que eu tava mais, ô palhaço?
A driver tried to pass the biker that was blocking the left lane driving under 45 miles per hour. The biker got mad and did this. He got quite lucky the curb wasn't any higher. Otherwise, he would have found himself flying over the handlebars. This driver nearly caused a head-on collision with the biker. Luckily, he only lost his mirror. This rider was filtering and misjudged the space between cars, causing him to accidentally tap a driver's mirror. The biker admitted he made a mistake and should have been more careful. This driver apparently didn't have his side view mirrors adjusted, so the biker helped him with it.
Open your eyes. Use your mirrors. Idiot.
This Toyota driver tried to cut the biker off and earned himself a smashed mirror.
Tá louco? Tá louco? Você é louco? Essa merda aí, pô.
Ó, sem seta, vai aonde? Vai aonde? Ó. Afasta aqui, irmão.
This driver tried to cut the biker off, flipped him off, and they went their separate ways. But he couldn't expect what is about to come.
Como é que é? Como é que é? Você vai me xingar, irmão? Tô filmando sua cara aqui, ó. Tô filmando sua cara aqui, ó. Tá certo, irmão, pra entrar. Demorou, sua cara tá filmada aqui, ó.
Several minutes later, they met again. The biker was not going to put up with the disrespect, so he did this.
Toma essa aí, ó, pra ficar esperto. Vacilão.
This biker and the car in front tried to change lanes at the same time, so this happened.
Salve, cachorro! Puta, pô! Fechou, mano, vai quebrar o retrô, quer ver? Ai, levou! Sabia! Caralho, tá acontecendo muita coisa!
This biker was talking to his friends on the side of the road when a driver passed right by him at a high rate of speed. He didn't let the driver get away with it.
Are you not looking? Your mirror.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.